Hi, everyone. My name is Lily, and I live in London. Today, I'd like to share my story about life in this incredible city, and maybe, along the way, you'll pick up some English expressions too. When I first arrived, I was over the moon. That means I was really, really happy. Moving to London had been my dream for so long. I stepped out of the train station, and there it was, a city buzzing with life. The famous red double-decker buses zoomed past, and black taxis lined the streets. It felt like stepping right into a movie. Life here was exciting, but it wasn't all smooth sailing, which means it wasn't always easy. At first, I felt a bit like a fish out of water. That's an English way of saying I felt out of place. London is huge, and people here seem to be in a constant hurry, always on their way somewhere. Back home, people took time to chat, but here, everyone seemed busy with their own lives. I had to get used to that. I remember finding this cozy little café near my flat, or apartment, as people might say in the US. Every morning, I'd order an oat latte with a touch of vanilla asterisk. The barista, Maya, became a friend. She'd greet me with a big smile, and it made me feel less lonely. Having routines like that helped me feel at home, even in a new place. One thing I love is taking walks along the River Thames. In English, we sometimes say the river is serene asterisk when it's calm and peaceful. Walking along the river early in the morning, when the mist is still in the air, is like a quiet little gift. You might hear people say something is magical to mean it feels special. Well, the Thames is magical to me. When winter arrives, London turns into a winter wonderland asterisk. The streets glow with Christmas lights, and carolers, those are people singing Christmas songs, fill Covent Garden with beautiful music. Everyone seems to warm up a bit. Even if it's cold outside, there's a feeling of warmth in the city, especially when people smile and greet each other. But I won't sugarcoat it, which means I won't make it sound easier than it is. There were days when I felt a bit down in the dumps, or sad. Moving to a new city can be lonely asterisk. Sometimes I'd look around and feel like a small fish in a big pond, very tiny in such a big place. On those days, I'd head to my favorite bookstore. Surrounded by books, I'd feel cozy and peaceful, which is what we sometimes call being in my happy place. London taught me to be resilient, or strong. I learned to be comfortable spending time alone, and I made wonderful friends from all over the world. Little by little, I started to feel like I truly belonged here. You might hear people say, it's a journey, not a destination, which means life is all about the experiences we have along the way. That's how London is for me, a never-ending journey filled with surprises. So, that's my life in London. I hope you learned a little more English today. Remember, whether you're starting something new or learning a language, take it one step at a time. Or, as we say, take it day by day asterisk. Thanks for listening to my story.